Hey my bees, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki Beauty, and here on my channel I like to think of the women that follow me as beauties and the men that follow me as beasts. So if you want to be a part of Beauty Gang, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. It's that simple. Let me turn this down. Alright, I'm back. As you guys can see for the title, I'm doing a cleaning vlog, a silent cleaning vlog. I had this bright idea probably about a month ago. I did a vlog and I guess you guys loved it because I had at least over 800 views versus my other vlogs. Not so many, but the reels, I get thousands on it. So I'm trying to keep up with doing more reels and just turn it like into vlogs. I'm waiting on babe so we can do some more, you know, videos together. Because you guys like that too. But as far as my vlogs, I don't know, I haven't really been seeing that many good numbers, but you guys like the cleaner one. So I decided to do it again because my house is in a mess once again. And Layla is fully walking now. As you can see, she likes to get under the cabinets and play with the pots. So we got pots everywhere. It's just a mess, okay? Those of you who are new here, I have a 1-year-old and I have a 16-year-old. Yeah, I know, life get a little bit crazy sometimes around here. But anyways, we're not gonna do any more talking. I'm just gonna do a whole lot of cleaning. I hope I don't scare y'all with my little collagen eye patches. I'm just loving these eye patches lately. Trying to get the skin together. Because as you know, I just celebrated a birthday. So, you know, girl, gotta keep that skin together. But anyways, I'll link below the last cleaning vlog I did. My birthday vlog, so you guys can catch up. So, let's get to cleaning.
careful. Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some little change to be a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my arms, feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind, hold me on my feet.
Make love and always just say goodnight. We cuddle, sure do love it, but I need your lips all night. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh, you write your name, I can hear you sing. Oh, I love the taste, la 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 la. All on my tongue, I want it. Oh, you write your name, I can hear you sing. Oh, I love the taste, la 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 la. All on my tongue, I want it. Give me a bug, need the Gucci stuff. Push your limit, now you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I dodged the county. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need feel, you know that. Pot tipping with your friend, you ain't even have me like that. You know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control don't slow the pace if I throw back. All this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy and weird, but baby, it's all I can. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Oh.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.